my God! This is crazy, boys! Absolutely crazy! Going up to the grandstands. Still no one here. It's the first event, but it's already mental. And here they come. These boys are really pushing it. Look at it. See, that's what non-mechanicals, non-car people, non-bike people just don't get. It's the raw emotion. It's the raw. Even if it's not the most powerful thing in the world. The Vespas are really pushing it. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. I'm hearing some nice sounds. An MV Agusta go-kart. 2-stroke. And the 2-stroke 500 from Suzuki. Look at the work that's been done, the piping. That's super important for the 2-stroke to extract the gases and to avoid blowback.